guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a bookshelf in Heartopia. So we're going to add 2 tiles here, and we're going to use the low walls. So 3 on like each wall, I guess. That's the height of it. And then we're also going to do the sides as well. And here, whoops. And also like the middle part of it. Then get the floor, and we're just going to stack them like this to create these shelves, essentially. Like so. And then we are going to add pillars, and that is for the books. We're going to make the height the same as like the space we have here. And we're going to put 3. So I'll do this color, and then I'll skip a color, and then I'll skip another color here. Then we're going to grab our wooden pillar, and I'm just going to make it, again, the same height. Then I'm just going to color it this. And then here I am going to color it the darker color. And then here I will color it, I think this one. And then last but not least, we have this one, and I'm going to color it this. So we have that. And I'm just going to fill in everything basically in like a similar pattern, and I'll be right back with the finished results. And here is the finished results. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!